Yes. Happy New Year to you all, my wonderful people. Good morning to you. I hope you guys are doing very well. Oh yes, it's another New Year 2020. Happy New Year once more, my lovely people out there. Okay. Today I just thought to bring to you guys this video that I'm about to do. I think maybe you know what I'm about to talk about. My best quote of the year 2009. So guys, I'm sorry that I'm bringing this video now. I would have done this before now, but I have other stuff, kids and other things to do. So what can we do? I'm just coming up, guys. Bear with me, okay? Please. So small, we get there. We'll better than small. So I just said, let me come and share with you guys my best quote for 2019. The ones that I really love, that people compliment on me. That is, I just want to show you guys. That is why they are all here. Obviously, I have the worst one. That one will be a video for another day. So the first one that I'm going to talk about, that is the number one, the best of them all, is this, my very black long coat. It's like this, very beautiful. At the name, the brand is Lady Buy. I don't know if you guys have heard about this brand. Like guys, they have very nice stuff, nice quality. It's a bit expensive, I know, but the quality of their stuff is, trust me, it's very nice. You're going to like it. They don't disappoint. So this very long black coat, it has this very huge neck like this. It has just these two black button, double breasted, just this one button here. You can adjust the button, and the cool part of this jacket is it has double pockets. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has these pockets, and even I use this one so much that I forgot to open this one. This one is still sealed, but I can as well open it anytime I want. So the one pocket is here, one is here too. And the cool best part of this jacket, why a lot of people keep asking and complimenting this coat, is guys, can you see there is this cut that it has here? Not at the back, that is there is this coat most times, usually used to have a very nice cut at the back, but this one has double cut at both sides. One is here and the other one is here. So very cool, and very a little bit different from this normal coat that we all know. In fact, people always ask me if I'm the one that take it to tailor to open this to cut it like this, to open it, because it's just a little bit much more different from the one that we used to know. So I would say this is my best coat for 2019. I don't regret buying it at all. And it also has a shoulder part. So let me just put it on for you guys to see what I'm talking about. A lot of you must have seen this coat on my pictures on Facebook, on Instagram. So the coat is like this, with these two cool pockets. What's this? Do I have money? No, not money. So with these two cool pockets, let me stand on something so that you can see the length properly. It's very long. It's just too long. Look at up to here. It's just too cool. It's not too cheap anyway. If I'm not mistaken, this jacket was I got this jacket for 400 euro. I didn't spend less than 300 euro. Absolutely no. It's a bit expensive, but it's very cool, and it's 100% wool. So it's not it's not polyester or no. So very nice, and it's very warm, very warm. So this is my very best purchase of this year. My best coat in my wardrobe is this black one. So the other one is this. This one is also, I also love this one, but I use this black one much more than every other coat that you're seeing here. Maybe if I have to dress, I just find myself using it a whole lot, just too much. So the next one is this one, this kind of dark red, brown, black. I don't know what kind of color is this. Oz blood. The brand is Dixil, Dixil. So I have some of their things, not much. So this one is also very cool. This one has a cut at the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this very short belt, just only at the back. And these two button, double breasted. It has these two pockets at the front. So elegant and cute. Let me just try it on for you guys to see. So this is how it looks. Very cool. This is my second coat of the year. This is how it looks. Very long. The lengths are all the same, just this same length. you guys think? These are my best coats of 2019 that I'm so happy that I bought, and despite it was not too cheap, but I'm just happy about the way I'm using it. That's the truth. I'm just so happy. So this is my teddy coat that I also got this year. I love this one so much, but the only thing is that anytime I wear it, if I have to go out with my husband, he always make fun of me. He said anytime I wore this coat, I always look like a little sheep. That was what sometimes he keeps telling me. This is that whenever I have it on, if we were to go out together, he would just say, "This your coat is very beautiful, but it just you look like a little sheep." Can you beat that? That's what my husband always tell me. Anyway, who cares? I love it. That's why I got it. Who cares? Little sheeps, they are nice, they are beautiful. So what are we saying? You know? So little lamb, sheep, lamb. It's not the same thing. I don't know. So this one is also very nice. That's just this double button. You can button it like this, and the cool thing is very warm. And what I love about this is the color. Very different from what I have in my wardrobe. Very different from every other kind of color. This kind of, purple pink at the same time, milk color. The color is just so nice. Inside is purple. That is it, and it's very soft. Very soft. It's not itching at all. Very cool, soft, and it keeps very warm. That's the truth. So this is my best coat of the year as well. Yes, this is my very best coat of the year also, and this one is from Sylvester Heck. Sylviana Hex. I don't know if you've heard of the brand before. The size is very XS, a very small size. As you can see, is oversized on me, so I just have to get it on this small size. That's on me. It looks perfectly okay. So it has these 2 pockets as well, and it keeps very warm, guys. Seriously, very warm. And this one, I think I don't just want to put prices, but some I remember, some I don't really remember properly. So I don't want to say things that I don't remember very well. So this is my second coat of. This is my other dark blue coats of the year. Also, one thing I love about this coat is, especially this coat that I'm putting on, is I can dress it up and dress it down, in a sportive way. Let me just put this my hoodie that I'm having here, just to show you guys what I'm talking about, so that you see what I'm talking about. One thing I love about this coat, why I love this coat too, let me show you guys. Just put this one on, and you see what I'm talking about. Hey. So let's put on a blue coat. Oh yes. Let's go, babes. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. That is. I just love it more like this. That's the truth. Because it looks oversized, or it looks big. It looks oversized somehow, but the size is my normal size. But at the same time, I love using this one whenever I just want to run errand, just dress in a sportive way, just put on a hoodie like this, put on my jeans or whatsoever, put on my shoe, and I'm good to go. So I just love this coat. If I want to look sportive, I'll just put any color of hoodie under it and the coat and my shoe, and I'm very good to go. It has these 2 pockets, and it's very long. It's even longer than the others. I don't know if you guys can see me standing here. See how long it is. So I just love this particular coat, just to dress like this, just to dress casual and do my things, run my errand. That's why I love this coat. Maybe sometimes if I want to go out, I don't feel like dressing too much, I'll just grab a hoodie and a very nice pair of shoes and just throw it on, just to elevate my look, and I'm very good to go. So this is my best purchase of the year 2019, guys. Oh yes, no regret at all, and trust me, it is 100% wool. It keeps very warm. It keeps warm. And this one, I swear, is the same brand, but this black one, Lady Buy. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but their coat is very expensive. It's very expensive because the shop that I always go to buy coats sometimes. In fact, I always go there. I don't know why. I think I just feel like their things has a very nice quality, and I feel okay with their things, even if their price is a little bit high. So, and most of the time they always have sales, you know. They just maybe like last year things, they just, when they like things of 2019 now, they'll just put it aside and they'll just reduce the price. The ones of 2020 they'll have full price. So I always get things on sales there, you know. Instead of spending, this coat was 500 euro. Guys, 500 was this coat, and I paid 350 euro. You know, they always have things that they don't, that you don't have to pay full price. But at the same time, it's their things is very, it's not too cheap, but I just feel that the quality deserves the money that you pay. So let's keep going, guys. So this one also is my very best coat of the year. This one is also the same thing, 100% wool. But that is the only way I get to use this one now, when as the weather is very, very good, is if I have a very, very thick, chunky sweater under with a very high. I have a very thick sweater that I used to wear, this one, very thick gray sweater that I love so much. So I'll just put it under and lay this one on top, and I'm very good to go. So this one is also my very best. It's a little bit light, I know. That is why whenever I want to use this, I just have to do something very, very thick on that, maybe like all those chunky sweater that you know that you cannot be able to wear with coat. So I'll just throw this one onto that, you know, because it has this half hand and it will look nice on it. So this is also my very best coats of the year, guys. MC Low. My boy is playing music in the sitting room, watching his cartoon, so there's a nice music there. And it has two buttons, three buttons, and this pocket here. So let's keep going before he comes and disturbs me. So no regret at all, guys. No regret. Nice stuffs. That is, I just use them. You know, I don't regret buying them because I get to get a lot of wear out of them. This one is my very best also, that I have never find something like this up till now. This coat is 2 years now, so these are my very first videos of hauls. So you don't expect me to just, you know, bring new things that I bought yesterday or a few days ago. Some of these coats I bought them last year, yes, early 2019. Some of these coats, like this one, even I got this one 2018. But these three, I got these three this 1, 2, 3, 4, I got this one last year, this 2019 that just ended. Why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years? Why these ones, they are 2 years now. So I just said, let me show it to you guys, because these are my best coats that I always mostly use every time. And this one, what I love this one so much is, you can see the buttons, the details, the 3 huge brown buttons, the pockets here. It has these 2 pockets like this, and it's, you know, it's just sleeveless. There's no sleeve. It has this, you know, oh my god, very, very cool. And I've never ever seen something like this. I don't know, I've never ever come across a coat like this. I don't know, I don't just know. It's something very, very different from, you know, different from this. Very, very kind of, you know, you can dress it up, dress it down. It looks very nice, and it's very, very warm. Guys, it's warm. Over warm, the warrior. This one is 80% wool and 20% polyester. So it's very, very, very warm. It keeps you warm. It looks very, very nice. This is how it looks at the back. See how it looks. These are my best for 2019. I just can't help myself using this coat less. Especially this one, I use this one very, 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 very well. early 2019 and 18 when I just newly got it. I just too love it. Love. My guy is coming. Love. Let me see the brown, if I can. Let me see the name. Echo. Diviana. This one is also Diviana. I don't know if you've heard about the brands. I'm going to check them online and see what I can get that is a little bit similar or stuff like this. I don't know, because these are very old stuff. Anything I can get that is similar, even if it is in Zara or H&M, that they have much more affordable prices, I will link them down below. Because these ones, this one is it's not cheap. I think this one I paid more than 200 or if not 300, so I can't remember very well, but I know that it's not cheap. Also because all these coats I got them in almost one shop. That is the same shop that I've been shopping for a very long time. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got these 5 in one shop. Hey, kitchen. My boy is here. Who's that? Well, banana. What's that? Why that man? Well, banana. Eh? Adesso I buy a little subito, va bene? So guys, that is my boy. It's not too sound. That is why he's at home with me. If not, he would have gone out with his father and sister. So this is also my very good, very best coat that I bought. Jacket. Let me call it on jacket, not coat. That I got recently. They still have this one. This one is still in stock. The last time I checked. So I still also love this one very well. These are just like crop coat, you know, just short like this, not too long, and it looks very nice. This is how it looks. That is, I think this one, if you guys notice, a lot of shops have this kind of coat. You know, it's this kind of jacket. It's just something of last year, 2019, with this huge pocket, this kind of, you know, huge balloon sleeve, you know, stuff like that. Something different from the way it used to. It has this huge one pocket here, and this lovely black buttons. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. It's 3, 4 buttons here, and one here, and one here. So guys, these are my coats, my best coats of 2019. These ones. Obviously, I also have the worst one, the ones I regretted buying. Arrivo. The ones I regretted also buying. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and God bless you as you do so. See you on my next video. Stay blessed. Don't forget to leave your comment down below, and I'll try and link some things that I can find below, because some of these things, like I said, they are not new. I just said, since I'm just starting, you know, it's also nice for me to make you know some things that I have in my wardrobe that I've already gotten that I love. What can I do? Happy New Year to you, baby. Happy New Year to you, people. Happy New Year to you, baby. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Ciao.